Using the MySQL database behind WordPress.org to practice SQL. If you have a WordPress.org website, then it has a MySQL database backend that you can connect to and practice SQL. WordPress.org websites have a MySQL database backend that is used to store and manage the website's data. WordPress is built on a PHP-based content management system, CMS, and it utilizes MySQL as the default database management system. When you set up a WordPress.org website, you typically need to create a MySQL database and a corresponding user with the necessary privileges to access and modify the database. This can usually be done through the hosting control panel or using a tool like PHPMyAdmin. The WordPress database consists of multiple tables that store various types of information related to the website's content, settings, users, plugins, themes, and more. Some of the key tables in a WordPress database include the following: WP_posts. This table stores the content of your website, including posts, pages, and custom post types. Each entry in this table represents a specific piece of content and contains information like the title, content, author, date, and more. WP_users. This table stores information about the registered users of your website. Usernames, passwords, encrypted, email addresses, and other user-related data are stored in this table. WP_comments. This table stores the comments made on your website's posts. It contains information such as the comment text, author name, email, date, and the post to which the comment is associated. WP_options. This table stores various settings and configurations of your WordPress website. It includes options such as site title, site URL, default name, default theme, and more. WP_meta. This table stores metadata associated with various objects in your WordPress site, such as posts, users, and comments. Metadata can include additional information like tags, categories, custom fields, and more. To practice using SQL with a WordPress.org website database, you can connect to the MySQL database using a MySQL client or a tool like PHPMyAdmin. You will need the database credentials, which are the database name, username, password, and host, to establish the connection. Once connected, you can perform various SQL operations on the WordPress database. For example, you can retrieve data using select queries, update existing data using update queries, insert new data using insert queries, and delete data using delete queries. You can also create new tables or modify the structure of existing tables using SQL statements. It's important to note that when working with a WordPress.org website's database, you should exercise caution and have a backup of the database in case anything goes wrong. Making incorrect modifications to the database can potentially break your website or cause data loss. Overall, having access to the MySQL database backend of a WordPress.org website provides you with the ability to work directly with the underlying data and practice SQL operations to manipulate and retrieve information as needed.